I am Charlie, will always be. You can't take anything from me. You can't put me on my knees, but I am Charlie Hebdo.
I will write, I will draw, I will pen my fingers so, and I will mock you even more, for I am Charlie Hebdo.
I will show your 47 is not a ticket into heaven, and I will argue with my best friend, because I am Charlie Hebdo.
I will draw your face distorted, cause I want to, cause I ought to, cause my truth won't be aborted, for I am Charlie Hebdo.
There are not bullets in the world for every boy and every girl who have their pencil sharp and bold, for they are Charlie Hebdo.
We will write,
we will sing, this bell will never cease to ring. Freedom is our God and King, for we are Charlie Hebdo.